Welcome back to the channel, Coin Collectors and Treasures Hunters. Today we are taking a close look at one of the most recognized American coins, the 1974 John F. Kennedy $50, and specifically the rare version without a mint mark that could be worth big money, even in fine condition. Let's get started. The Kennedy $50 was first minted in 1964, shortly after the tragic assassination of President John F. Kennedy in November 1963. The coin was introduced as a tribute to the 35th President of the United States and was designed in record time by Gilroy Roberts and Frank Gaspar Roberts designed the obverse portrait of Kennedy, while Gaspar created the majestic reverse, featuring the presidential seal. The $50 replaced the Franklin $50 and quickly became a symbol of remembrance. By 1974, the coin had already been in circulation for a decade, serving as both currency and a powerful national memorial. The obverse side of the 1974 Kennedy $50 features the enduring image of John F. Kennedy facing left. This design captures his youthful strength and confidence, reflecting America's spirit during the early 1960s. The inscriptions include Liberty across the top, I and God We Trust, divided below the portrait, and the date 1974 beneath Kennedy neck. Since this coin has no mint mark, it was produced at the Philadelphia Mint in uncirculated condition. This side of the coin displays a sharp full strike with crisp details in Kennedy hair, smooth surfaces, and brilliant mint luster that glows under light. The reverse design, created by Frank Gaspar, showcases the presidential coat of arms, an eagle with spread wings holding an olive branch in one talon and arrows in the other, symbolizing peace and strength. A ring of 50 stars encircles the design, representing all U.S. states, while the inscription United States of America appears above and $50 below. This reverse is one of the most beautiful and patriotic designs in U.S. coinage history. In uncirculated examples, every feather on the eagle and star in the ring is clear with the reflective fields adding brilliance to the coin surface. The 1974 Kennedy $50 was struck using the clad composition introduced in 1971 after the U.S. Mint discontinued silver for circulation coins. The metal content is 91.67% copper and 8.33% nickel with a pure copper core. The coin weighs 11.34 grams, measures 30.6 millimeters in diameter, and has a reeded edge. This copper-nickel combination gives the coin its silvery color but ensures long-lasting durability. Even though these coins do not contain silver, they are still valuable for collectors because of their design, historical meaning, and the role they played in American currency reform. In 1974, the Philadelphia Mint produced an estimated 201,596,000 Kennedy $50 that a huge number, but finding well-preserved uncirculated coins is becoming more difficult, as most were heavily used in commerce during the 1970s and 1980s. The Philadelphia Mint, unlike the Denver or San Francisco mints, did not use a mint mark on coins at that time, making the 1974 no mint mark $50 easily identifiable. Collectors often seek these coins to complete full mint sets, comparing them with the 1974D and 1974S issues. Despite its common mintage, the coin's brilliant condition makes it a treasured collectible. When a coin is described as uncirculated mint state, it means it has never been used in regular commerce and retains its original mint luster. For the 1974 Kennedy $50 uncirculated coin, show sharp edges nowhere on Kennedy cheek, jawline, or hair, and full detail on the eagle wings and shield. The surfaces are smooth with only minor contact marks from mint handling. Grades like MS60 to MS67 represent the range of mint state quality, where MS60 has fewer luster breaks and MS67 or higher is nearly flawless uncirculated. Examples are highly sought after by collectors especially. those with brilliant toning or mirror-like surfaces. Now let's talk about the coin value. In uncirculated MS-60-MS-63 condition, the 1974 no-mint mark, Kennedy half dollar is typically worth $2 to $4, depending on eye appeal and listen. Higher grades like MS-65 MS-66 can command $10 to $25 and rare MS-67 specimens certified by NGC or PCGS may sell for $100 to $250 or more. While clad coins do not contain silver, collectors prize them for their historical and aesthetic qualities. Proof versions, struck in San Francisco and intended for collectors, can reach even higher values if perfectly preserved. So while they 1974 half dollar might not make you rich, its story and symbolism make it priceless to history lovers. The 1974 Kennedy half dollar is a cornerstone of any modern U.S. coin collection. It marks a transitional period in American coinage when silver coins became a thing of the past and the mint focused on mass production of durable modern currency. Collectors appreciate this coin not only for its design but also for its cultural significance as a memorial to one of the most influential American presidents. Many numismatists include the 1974 half dollar in their 1970s clad series alongside the 1971, 1972, 1973 and 1976 bicentennial issues. It's an affordable yet historically meaningful coin, perfect for both beginners and serious collectors. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 1974 Kennedy half dollar with no mint mark, struck at the Philadelphia Mint. From its powerful design honoring President John F. Kennedy to its historical role in U.S. coinage, this coin remains one of the most recognized pieces in the world. Even in a simple uncirculated example, it tells a story of American pride, innovation, and memory. If you enjoyed learning about this coin, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications for more coin value guides and rare coin discoveries. Comment below and let us know, do you have a 1974 Kennedy half dollar in your collection? It might be more valuable than you think, especially if it's in mint condition.